How We Came to Be Environmental Studies Part 2 Standard 5th. Lesson number 6 Stone Age Stone Tools. 6.1 Type and form of a tools according to the type of task. 6.2 Stone Age Tools. In last video we learned about 6.1 type and form of tools according to the type of task. In this video we are going to learn Stone Age tools. 6.2 Stone Age Tools. The period from which mainly stone tools are found is called the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into three periods on the basis of the shape and the type of tools found. First, Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age. Paleo means old and lithos means stone. 2. Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age. Meso means middle. 3. New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. New means new. Old Stone Age, Paleolithic Age. Homo habilis and Homo erectus, who belong to the Old Stone Age. Both made their tools using the percussion technique. This technique involves beating and striking one large pebble against another to obtain stone flakes. The first tool made in the Old Stone Age with this technique were crude. Only one side of those tools had a sharp edge. Such tools are known as choppers. They could only be used for breaking nuts or bones. The tools made by Homo habilis were of this kind. They indicate that Homo habilis had not yet learned to hunt. Flakes of stone would be produced while shaping his tools. He used the flakes for scraping meat from hide, for chopping meat and other foodstuff, for sharpening wooden sticks. Tools like the hand axe and cleaver made by Homo erectus are more proportionate and symmetrical than the choppers made by Homo habilis. A proportionate and symmetrical tool has to be mentally visualized first. Only then it is possible to make it. Homo erectus could mentally visualize his tools even before he actually shaped them. To obtain stone flakes, he used things like antlers as a hammer. He further sharpened the edges of those flakes by scraping off smaller pieces to make scrapers with very sharp edge. It means that Homo erectus was using different tools for different tasks according to the demand of the task. With his improved tools, Homo erectus could have greater variety of food because he could now hunt a variety of big and small animals. These included mainly the deer, bison, rabbit. The Neanderthal man made further progress in tool making techniques. He began to make smaller tools. Homo sapiens brought about a revolution in the technique of making tools. He devised a technique of obtaining long and narrow blades of stone. He made various implements like the knife, scraper, borer, chisel, etc. From these long blades, he also began to use ivory and rare stones of the quartz, variety of making tools and other articles. Homo sapiens had made significant progress in gaining knowledge of his environment and in the technique of making tools and obtaining food. This enabled him to stay in one place for a longer period of time. Group of Homo sapiens had begun to build huts and live in them. They had also started celebrating social festivals. Many artistic objects and cave paintings created by Homo sapiens were possibly made for these festivals. Homo sapiens had started using ornaments to adorn themselves. Beads from the time of Homo sapiens, made of shells, bones, and animals' teeth, have been found. Thus, the beginnings of human culture go back to the Old Stone Age. Remains of tools from the Old Stone Age have been found in India at various places, from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. However, not many human fossils from the Old Stone Age have been found in India. Fossils of a human skull and the collarbone of an Old Stone Age woman were found on the banks of the Narmada in the vicinity of Hanthora, a village near Hoshangabad in Madhya Pradesh. Beside that, the fossilized skull of a child from the Stone Age was found at a village near Pondicherry. Some remains of Old Stone Age humans have also been found in Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Gangapur near Nasik and Chirkinevasa near Nevasa are among the well known Old Stone Age sites in Maharashtra. Gangapur is on the banks of the Godavari River and Chirkinevasa is in the Pravara Basin. Middle Stone Age, Mesolithic Age. Homo sapiens in the Middle Stone Age continued to make progress in many different ways. They domesticated the dog due to changes in the climate and the environment in the Middle Stone Age. The way of little of humans had begun to change. Beside hunting, Homo sapiens had started to harvest food grains that grew in the wild and domesticate animals. Their diet now included various plant foods. They also began to settle in one place for a part of the year. Domestication of a sheep and goat also goes back to this period. Taking all this into account, it appears that Homo sapiens now needed several different types of tools that were light in weight and durable for a variety of tasks, such as hunting, fishing, harvesting, cutting of trees. He used to make implements like the knife and the sickles by firmly fixing a row of blades as small as fingernails into a groove in a bone or a piece of wood. Many sites of the Middle Stone Age have been found in India, among them Bagur in Rajasthan, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Langhans in Gujarat, and Patna in Jalgaon district in Maharashtra are the well known ones. New Stone Age, Neolithic Age. In this period, stone tools that were polished to give a smooth, shiny finish were made for the first time. As this was a new type of tool making technique, this period was named the New Stone Age. By the time of the New Stone Age, agriculture and domestication of animals or animal husbandry had become a routine way of life. Hunting was no more the major means of obtaining food. It became secondary to agriculture and animal husbandry. There are many sites of New Stone Age culture in India, especially along the Ganga River and in South India.